songs that told our stories, the music that made us fall in love. This 2026, relive the golden era of OPM with the maestro himself, Ray Valera. Every lyric, every note brings back the memories we'll never forget.
Join the maestro Ray Valera as he serenades Canada with his greatest hits, songs that shaped our hearts and our stories.
Gandang lalaki, no? Hello po, si Ray Valera po ako. At nag-aaya lang ako na magkita-kita tayo dyan sa Canada, ha? Sa February 21 sa Christ Church Cathedral, Burnett Avenue, Victoria, BC. Palagay ko British Columbia yun, no? Okay, kita-kita tayo, ha? Salita ka naman, Noy. Gio, love you.
Kahit maputi ng buhok ko,